back to my channel. I'm Shanti, and today, guys, we're going to be making some slime and maybe a stress ball. So, before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. I'll see y'all later. Follow me on my Instagram, Tea Time with Shanti. It's in the link below. See y'all, and I'll see y'all once I get started. We're getting started. Okay, so I'm going to add this bottle of glue. How much glue can I put in it? Okay, now to add me some beautiful gold glitter. Silver glitter. Put some silver glitter and maybe some gold glitter. And then I'm going to make it stream. This is going to, okay, these are both green. Not going to use that. Okay, now I'm going to add some shaving cream. Okay, now I'm going to oops. Sorry guys, just like get all this and put it there. Come on. Now, I may get me a spoon. Just here, mix that together. Your heart. White is not a color, so I can add white is not a color, so white is a color, but my glue was already white, so I'm going to add more or add the color to my slime. I'm hungry. Let's bust some dough. Trying to not add a little bit of blot. Now, since the Tide's going to make it a different color, I may just add some. Oh my gosh. There's like nothing in here. Oh my gosh. Let me just. Your hearts. And then I may just like add in some brown to it to make it a cute little infirmary color. Just make me some that, then make that after. Sorry guys, I gotta see it. It's a beautiful like brown kind of color. Just gotta, like squeeze some more Waka juice in it. It's a beautiful like chocolatey color. Beautiful like chocolate color. It's like a beautiful chocolate color. I very like that, but it kind of looks like red. This is messy. Now, add this, adds that, adds again this, do this. Beautiful. It's beautiful. It's absolutely spectacular. Spectacular. Since brown. A little. 2, 3. Now, add this color. Looks like a now just add the toid glitter. She's creamy glitter in it. Guys, when you ruin your slime, you can always fix it with a better slime. This one's already turning slime. What a beauty. If you ruin your slime and then just keep mixing it, I'll be right back. Okay, since it's like I just need to add me some more chocolate coloring flavor in it. I want to see what, like, this is really cool though. So I'm just gonna like ruin my slime. And then, ooh, this is like a fluffy white slime. Wait. I was gonna make a white slime. Gonna ruin it and then keep playing with it. Cause like if you ruin it and then keep like kneading it, it turns out really great. Or it just turns out as a flop. It depends on how much ruin you ruin to it. Oh, it's all stringy. Like, ugh. You know what? That's really... a little more brownish in it. It's a boo-boo. It's a beautiful brown. Wait, it's not brown yet, but will be. I just gotta like add some. I close all this up. This is like a cute little shaving cream. It's very fluffy, but it wasn't fluffy enough. So, a little bit glue, a little bit more glue, and then a little bit more shaving cream. Because what, you can't go wrong with shaving cream unless it's too fluffy. Ooh, look at that, guys. It's all stringy and nasty and stretchy. It's not really stretchy, but it's a brown with pink in it. Little pebbles. Boop. Okay guys, this is my beautiful chocolatey slime. It's a beautiful fluffy slime. Just gotta keep kneading. It's actually pretty good. Put that to the side and start working on this slime. It's really cool how the texture feels when it's really shavy cream. It's really it has way too much shaving cream in it. Then I just gotta like sink this to the bottom of it. And just like sink to the bottom, sink it to the twist. Then do not put shaving cream in your mouth. Okay, there you go. Now I just gotta Now I just gotta keep playing with this slime. This is really sticky. Now I just gotta play with this slime here. Then I just gotta get it like all around. Just gotta like that. No one knows. Go. I am a champion. Just gotta, like that. Just gotta do like this. Just like get all this slime out of here. Okay, now just gotta bring this here, bring that there. Just gotta like get some hard things out of it. Hard stuff out of it. It's actually very cool how the texture feels, but very cool how the texture feels. Just get a little bit of this color and just drop it in. Sorry guys, just may have to This is actually very cool. And it's very fluffy. Just gotta like set it over here for a while. Just gotta like get all that. Ooh, I know what I'm going to do. This is really cool, but I'm going to prank. Oops. I'm gonna prank her and say that this. Wait, I gotta just like drop it down in there. Just go down. Go down and now I managed some printers. It's actually very soft that I may just like add a little bit touch to it is brown chocolate. It's not edible, guys. This is paint. Just like the name of it is brown or chocolate. Just add a little bit more brown. A little bit more brown to it. Just add some white. Now, gotta use the special ingredient, which is does not go with my skin. Light brown. Light brown. Just like, you know, get this and mix it there. Mix it with the lightish, whitish, darkish cream. Okay, now, just gotta shave this down there. This is really cool. I like how so now I just gotta like shave the shaving cream off. The chocolatey color. And make like a cool little bubble. Oh, look, we made like a little bubble. Now, so guys, I'm going to end this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. Ooh. I'll see you on the next video. Rudolph. White nose right here. See you later. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Ooh. Shaving cream on my nose.